Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one topic city creation. In this basically we are discussing about one city basically, that is Italy city basically. This Italy city basically say that basically we are basically into the city creation basically. Then he told that okay basically we are into the city creation. So there is one city basically in Italy basically which say that basically uh, which says that we basically have one city basically which is basically which is basically which is basically telling that basically that we basically goes underwater, entire city goes underwater at certain period, which is that period that basically need to investigate. So in that basically what happens basically, so in this basically the things happens is the entire basically world basically goes underwater basically, and from that water everybody knows that basically in this world basically there are many powers. First is sea water, then the lava blast is one power, then the tufan basically is one power. So like this each and every powers basically are there, and they keeps on doing the experiment basically. So Italy is one city. See, in Italy in Italy basically there is one city basically which basically keeps on doing the experiment, and that is actually Jesus Christ city basically, and Jesus Christ basically doing this type of experiment basically. So in each religion basically they do the experiment basically. From this basically it get clears like that basically. Hindu also basically do the experiment. Muslim also they do the experiment. Jain, Parsi, this each group basically has divided into certain level of experiment, and that basically connects to the certain level of kings basically. So like this basically this experiment is entire city basically goes under the water for certain time period, and after that basically the city water basically gets automatically out basically, and then basically they checks basically how many people basically are not died basically. Then basically they give certain level of medicine whatever, then basically they automatically gets in their track basically. So just see basically the dangerous thing basically in the city basically happening. So one of the person told that who is handling the medicine industry basically, sorry, who is handling the entire blood cells of that city basically. So he told that basically there is one healthcare department basically who is handling this all thing basically, who is basically handling this all thing basically. So he told that yes basically, yeah, that's very dangerous basically. This type of experiment basically they keeps on doing basically. So one of the person told that why basically they are doing this type of experiment basically. Then he explained basically there is one city basically called Mumbai city. They are basically very high profile people basically stay. That is basically like Ambani's, Adani's, Tata, Birla, like this all high profile people basically stays there basically. To save that high profile people basically, that is you can say the heart of the India basically. That basically people stay there basically there. Due to that basically people who are staying there basically to keeps on doing experiment basically, so that basically we can save them basically. For example, they basically given one example basically. Whenever basically the city basically of whenever city basically for example they basically injected one injection basically. Whenever they inject the injection basically, within basically 1 hour basically the entire sea goes underwater basically, entire city I am telling you basically. And they do injection how basically, through power supply basically. Through power supply also basically you can inject. So special power supply basically station was created for that city. They do the injection basically to that particular city. Each and every people basically gets that injection basically, and that basically sea water automatically comes inside the city basically, and that basically city goes underwater just within 1 hour basically. You can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that basically that type of thing basically Mumbai is not supposed to happen basically. That's why basically because there are high profile people basically are staying there basically. That is the heart of India basically. If anything happens to that city basically, then entire India is going to suffer basically. That's why basically we are doing this. That's why basically lots of people says that basically whenever the Asia land is basically getting divided, the entire Jesus family comes into the Asia land. In which Asia land, that basically we don't know basically. But Jesus Christ family basically Jesus, more lots of people says that the history never ends. That means Jesus Christ also basically exists somewhere basically, but nobody knows that basically what is the real face of that particular person basically. That nobody don't know basically. So that is basically things basically that we don't know basically how basically that is also connected with the set of king basically. That basically that's a different thing basically. So here basically what we are discussing, here we are discussing that basically entire Mumbai is not supposed to go under sea water. So for that basically they are keeps doing the experiment. They are keeps doing the experiment basically, and this is very dangerous experiment basically. The Italy, the entire investment basically is of the Mumbai city. So one of the person told that to save Mumbai city, see the experiment expense basically they are doing to create one city basically. How many expenses basically there? Then he told that 90 crore minimum basically. 90,000 crore minimum basically. And to maintain basically it's more difficult. So city is created Italy. So how basically they are maintaining? Just see basically. Then he told yes, यार very dangerous thing basically. So Mumbai में कुछ हो ना basically. In Mumbai basically the sea is not supposed to attract inside the Mumbai city basically, so that basically not a single person is supposed to die basically inside. Sorry, Mumbai is not supposed to go underwater basically. That's why see basically which city basically is doing the experiment basically. So just see basically. So one of the person told that basically, yaar, that's very dangerous thing. Yeah? That means the nuclear power company can finish any of the city within 1 or 2 hours basically. Then he told that yeah, exactly basically. So the nuclear power company basically can finish the city exactly within 1 or 2 hours basically. That's why basically this country basically are very powerful basically. That is this countries. That's why basically these countries basically are very powerful. But this country also basically might be getting power supply from certain level of countries basically, controlled by the satellite group. So here basically we are discussing what basically this basically. So this is very dangerous point basically, which connects to the Mumbai city basically, which connects to the Mumbai city basically, and this is very dangerous point actually. So you can just imagine basically this one city basically is saving Mumbai city, and he is basically connected with Jesus Christ family basically. This group is connected with Jesus Christ group basically. So you can just imagine basically here basically in Mumbai the Christian people basically might be staying. Lots of people says that basically in Mumbai basically lots of Christian families basically are staying. So they basically might be knowing this basically, which I have discussed just now. So one of the people told that basically, yes, here basically it's very dangerous basically. So the Oxford University basically says that basically we are basically giving the set of words basically to the Italy and to the Mumbai basically, so that basically sea water is not supposed to attract to any of the city basically. So sea water basically can finish the city within 1 or 2 hours basically. So that's very dangerous basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic basically, sea water, Mumbai and Italy basically, which is connecting directly to the Oxford University basically.